Got a new neighbor this morning. It's a monster. Pretty cool looking monohull back there. Today we're going to do some inventory. Yesterday when we were out shopping, we kind of realized we didn't know what we have on board as much as we thought we did. I think we just got here, we're anxious to start some projects and didn't slow down enough just to make note of what we got along with the boat. A lot of these lockers, under the bed, they have a lot of things that they left behind, spare parts, things like that. So we didn't know what we have and what we don't have to make a good decision on what to buy. So first thing today, I'm gonna get out a notebook, get in all these places, write down what we have. We've got a helper today. What do you think of all this? No problem. One paintbrush. That took about half an hour, just going through one bedroom. There's electricity, I can see the lights on. Put over on max and see what happens. It's not working.
It's not working.
Let me I'm gonna switch the power off and on and see if it gets kind of reboots it. It's like a fuel filter or air filter for Yanmar. Scare me.
Augustus, are you helping or hindering?
I'm afraid he's gonna get down in the bilge somehow.
Do you want to tell everybody what you're doing?
Going through all this stuff. Just a bunch of spare parts. I don't know what this looks like. Like a line goes through here and changes direction. It's like a turning block or something. I don't know. You okay?
Just want to make sure there aren't any creatures.
There probably are creatures.
No, it looks pretty clean in here, really.
That's the only way in and out of those things, huh?
Be like Spider-Man.
Okay. Next.
Well, we got about 3/4 of the way done with the inventory when we realized a couple of problems. This morning we realized the refrigerator wasn't working, so we just turned it off and said let's just do the inventory. But then I was running the sink and the water pump was making a different noise than it usually does. So we're going to stop and kind of look at those real quick. The water tank seems like it may be empty, so that might solve the water tank problem, the water pressure problem. So we're going to start there, filling up, and then hopefully that'll take care of at least one of the problems. This is how helpful Augustus has been all day. All right, so we were able to figure out what the problem with the water maker in the refrigerator was. If you remember the other day when I was working on the engines, we turned off the power to the main switch to the boat just for safety, so that I wouldn't get zapped with anything while I was down there, and we forgot to turn it back on. So now we know what that looks like.
What you doing there, Ross?
It's going to rain tonight in the forecast, and this is still just laying in there.
Did you get it, Ross?
No.
Oh, no. Let's see. Oh, is one in?
One of them, yeah.
Oh. You really can't see what you're doing. want me to try?
I might get it this time. There we go.
Is it in there? Thank God.
All right, that's gonna do it for today. Didn't have all the inventory done. Got about everything except under one bed because of a little extracurricular stuff we had to do. But yeah, feel like we know the boat pretty good. So getting there.